Hello everyone, this is Group 5's presentation of Association Rule Analysis of SP500. We have three members in our team, Jing Wu, Fan Zhang. They are both from Statistics Department, and I am Li Tan. First of all, we have a background of the SP500 companies. We all know the Standard Poor's 500 is an American stock market index based on the market capitalization of 500 large companies having common stock listed on the NYSE or Nasdaq. And as of today, there are 505 companies in the index, and also for the simplicity, we use the stock ticker symbol instead of company name. For example, company 3M as the sticker, code M. And mining on financial data is very essential. In the financial domain, technical analysis is one of the most commonly used methods for predicting price movements and future market trends. And for those stocks, it is possible to pick several stocks and find the relationship among them. Here's an example. It is very sensible that when oil price increases, the price of oil company stocks increase and the operational cost of airline services increase, thus having a negative influence on the stock of airline companies. And to put it in a framework of association rule, here is our expression. Here are some formulas and algorithms in our project. We have the support and confidence. And for mining association rules, we used this two-step approach. First one is a frequent item set generation. We generate all item sets whose support is bigger and equal to mines up. And the rule generation, which generate high confidence rules from each frequent item set, where each rule is a binary partitioner a frequent item. And for reducing numbers of candidates, we use the a priori principle, which is if an item set is frequent, the number of its subsets must also be frequent. This principle holds due to this following property of the support measure, where support of an item set never exceeds the support of its subsets. This is known as the anti-Montoning property of support. For the data, we extract the data using the T-series and zoo of R packages. The current available data provider implemented in the T-series package is Yahoo and Oanda. In this project, we use the data downloaded from this link. Note that the global financial crisis in 2008 is a very special and not a typical event. We try to avoid this time period by extracting data from the first date of 2009 to December 15th this year. The total number of days are 1814, and the number of components is 480. After we extract all the data from Yahoo, we find there are a lot of missing values. Those missing values are due to the closing of transaction during weekends and holidays, and also due to the late IPO of some assets. We visualize the missing pattern of each stock and each time point by ggplot2 R package. The missing values are shown in those pink area, which is a picture here. And instead of imputation, we combine the method of deleting missing values and assigning the missing data with the value of previous day. The total number of days, total number of assets are respectively 1752 and 453. We use the association rule analysis to capture the association between stocks and the SP 500 market index moving patterns. We have 4 steps here. We first use the XL Connect R package to import the cleaned Excel dataset, and we next compute the stock price and market price difference between the current day and yesterday. Denote 1 if the value is positive and negative 1 if negative. In addition, we assign label company up to the computed value if the value equals 1 and company down if the transform value equals negative 1. And, after that, we implement the A rules R package to conduct the association rule analysis, and we set the minimum support threshold equals 0.45 and the minimum confidence threshold equals 0.5. And to get the results, we use the data provided by Dr. Du, and we have a set of 62 rules attained after running the principle. And since the A to B are equivalent to the B to the A, so some of the rules are repeated. So after discarding the abundant rule, we have this chart, which is 31 rules. And next, we categorize the return of stock price and market index into up if it is positive, and same if it is 0, and down if it is negative. And we run the association rule again, and the result is exactly the same as the rule if we categorize the return of stock and the market price into up and down. As you can see, those 2 pictures here, they are the same. And we also use MATLAB to get the results. The code we are using is this one, and the new code studies the association of specific movement of stocks such as up and down or same, rather than considering them as a whole. The entire rules satisfying the support and confidence conditions are given as follows. We can note that all of the 8 rules above, there are 4 replications. So the rules highlighted in yellow are the unique association rules we get. So in this project, we did association analysis with the stock price of SP 500 company together with the SP 500 index in both R and MATLAB. There are 4 rules will were finally established based on the larger data set we have, which is the 31 rules based on the data provided by Dr. Du. Some stocks may correlate in the short term, while remain uncorrelated in the long term based on our computation results. So furthermore, for a large data set, we can divide data into several blocks, then use cluster to do parallel computing. So we only concentrate on the price information from stock data. The time factor, seasonal factor, and other influential factors can be taken into consideration for future work. And that is what we do for this project. And thank you everyone. Merry Christmas.